is a space simulator that I built to demonstrate that planet Mars can be the right place to build a long term and sustainable habitat. Since water can be the fuel for space, and as asteroids have a huge content of water, we have a gigantic asteroid belt right next to the planet Mars. Also, Mars is similar to Earth in many ways and yet slightly challenging in many other ways. Hence, I choose Mars to build my first human colony there. Welcome to my Martian colony. In order to live on long-term basis on this planet, first and most important thing we would need is electricity. Hence here I have installed solar panel stations. In order to work even efficiently at night, I have also installed battery storage on every solar panel station. Almost everything in this colony works on solar energy. Since the Martian atmosphere is highly toxic, I managed to solve this problem using electrolysis method to generate oxygen from the carbon dioxide of the Martian atmosphere. In this factory, air pressure is also taken care of. Since Mars has low air pressure, I have installed highly pressurized heating systems that help to neutralizing and generating the amount of air pressure that is required for us to live in good health. I also installed the communication satellites that allows the people in the colony to communicate with each other and also helps the Martians to communicate with the people on Earth. Since the Martian soil is highly toxic to grow food, I managed to solve this issue by leaching out the perchlorates from the soil and through electrolysis. I managed to extract nitrogen from the Martian atmosphere. Nitrogen is very important for a plant's growth. Here are water reservoirs and filters. These filters help to recycle water. In this way, the colony manages to use a good amount of water as and when required. I managed to extract water from regolith by evaporating it from the soil and then condensing it in and storing it in these tanks. Some of the water extracting process also includes heating the ice caps in the Martian poles by using aerogel, a heating device. The water tanks are connected to the entire colony through the underground connection system. We also have water rigs to drill the well underneath the Martian surface and extract water, since water is the fuel of space. With electrolysis method, we extract hydrogen and use it as rocket fuels. Due to unfavorable Martian atmosphere, we have to live indoors all the time. So I make sure people in my colony stay highly entertained. I make sure they go to gym and recreational hub every day, meet and socialize and talk to each other and do various fun activities together. I also keep a track on their mental health through my tracker device. I help them not to get homesick and live happily around in a colony. This is a car parking zone. We use cars for intercolony transport. We also have rocket stations for interplanetary transportation. We also have a rover zone for our scientific research. Our colony also has science labs and research centers. We also have schools and work zones. Here we live in 3D printed houses. These are strong and saves us from hurricane type of Martian storms. Life on Mars is not that easy, but when it comes to humans, then nothing seems impossible.